guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. I've been craving seafood so much lately and I decided to make a seafood pot pie. Long ago I made a chicken pot pie, but today I'm going to make a seafood pot pie. So if you want to see how I make it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You guys, I have a second channel here on YouTube. It's called April Time. So if you can go over and subscribe and support it, I will really appreciate it. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using a cup of yellow gold potatoes and I'm going to cut them into small squares. And I really love these potatoes because they're buttery with a creamy texture and they hold up really well when making this seafood pot pie. Now I'm going to chop a half a cup of red bell peppers, but you can use whatever bell peppers that you like. And now I'm going to chop a half a cup of onions, and if you've noticed, I like to cut up all of my vegetables around the same size so that they cook at the same time. So I'm done chopping up all of my vegetables, so I'm going to set these to the side. So I'm going to show you the seafood I'm going to use. I've already cleaned and deveined a pound of shrimp. And I'm also going to use 1 cup of lump crab, and you can use whatever seafood that you like, of course. So let's head on over to the stove and make the filling for the pot pie. And over medium heat, I'm going to warm up a tablespoon of butter and some olive oil. And now I'm going to add the chopped onions and I'm going to saute them for around 1 minute until they're soft and translucent. Once the onions are done, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic, and it's really going to infuse the oil and the butter with these amazing flavors. Now once the onions and garlic are done, I'm going to go ahead and add a 12-ounce package of frozen vegetables. And the last thing I'm going to add is the red bell peppers and the yellow potatoes, and continue to stir everything together. And it's not you, it's me, and I'm so sorry for the blurry shots. And now I'm going to season it with a teaspoon of sea salt and black pepper. And of course I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning. Now to create thickness for the filling, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. And make sure to stir and cook for 1 minute to eliminate that raw flour taste. And now I'm going to add 1.5 cups of seafood broth, but if you don't have that, add some chicken broth. And a half a cup of half and half. And I'm going to stir and allow this to simmer between 5 to 8 minutes so that the sauce can become thick. And after 8 minutes, you'll notice that the sauce will become really thick and delicious. So right now I'm going to go ahead and add in the seafood, the shrimp, along with the lump crab. Now once the seafood is in, you want to turn the heat off and you want to continue to stir until the shrimp turns pink or opaque. And this is a great time to taste test just to make sure that everything is seasoned perfectly. So I'm going to use 2 deep dish pie crusts that you can find in any frozen section of the grocery store, and I'm just going to put a half of the filling into one and then a half into the other. And I'm going to top it with 2 puffy pastry sheets, and I really love this pastry sheet because it's so flaky and it's really delicious, one of my favorites. And then you just want to take your fingers and pinch and seal in the edges. And to make sure that the crust is golden brown when it bakes in the oven, I'm going to scramble 1 egg and just brush it on top with the egg wash. And at the very end, I'm going to cut a couple of slits on top just so some of the steam can escape. I've already preheated the oven at 375 degrees and I'm gonna bake the pot pies off for 30 minutes. Hey guys, welcome to April Time, my new channel here on YouTube, and this is just my cozy corner of all things lifestyle. So join me as I share my love of simple everyday joys, from whipping up delicious home-cooked meals to my favorite skincare rituals that keeps me glowing. And the reason for this channel is just to share some productive days in my life and some really quick simple recipes. So hit subscribe and let's spend time together. "30 minutes in the oven, and just look at this seafood pot pie. It's done and smelling amazing. The top is perfectly brown and you can see the creamy filling bubbling through the edges. I mean, just look at the golden flaky crust, absolutely beautiful. And of course, a simple recipe you can have for either lunch or dinner any day of the week. You have your shrimp, you have your lump crabs, you have the buttery potatoes, and that creamy sauce in every bite. But we are all done, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody that you know. Make sure to follow me on my new channel, April Time, here on YouTube. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. You guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.